Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while since I've uploaded a video here. I've just been taking some time to myself, just taking a little bit of a break here on the channel, but I wanted to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel recently. I really appreciate the support here on my channel for what I do, bringing you a variety of content and talking about things that I really like. And so I just really wanted to thank everybody who is new. And if you are just now finding my channel, welcome. I am here to do an unboxing video, so let's get into it. So yes, I have decided to start the new year off with a brand new pair of headphones. These are the Marshall Major 4 headphones. I just want to preface this by saying I am not a musician, but I have heard of the Marshall brand as far as quality when listening to music or listening to yourself doing podcasting. These headphones are wireless and they can be connected via Bluetooth to pretty much any device. These headphones come with 2 instruction manuals in multiple languages. I'll make sure to do a zoom in on that so you can see what the languages are that are available with these headphones. I'm zooming in on a picture of a button that is at the base of one of the earpieces, and this is the button that basically controls everything, which we can get into later. And as you can see, all of the languages are listed here as far as what's available in your section of the world. So these headphones also come with 2 cables. The cable that I'm holding now is basically how you charge the headphones if you don't have a wireless charger. Something to remember is that these headphones do not come with a wireless charger. You have to buy that separately. This is the cable that actually plugs into the headphones. So if you want to connect it straight to your iPhone, you can. And if you also want to plug it into a microphone, you can for podcasting. I know that I said this was an unboxing, but I've actually been using these headphones for a couple of weeks now just to break them in and to test them out. I wanted to get a good feel for them. They're very durable, they stretch without breaking. I haven't fully tested that to the extreme, but they seem pretty durable to me as far as being able to expand the headphones. As you can see, the earpieces are also adjustable, so it's very easy for these to be comfortable on pretty much any head size. As far as this golden button at the bottom of the headphones, this is the button that controls everything from turning the headphones on, switching a song, turning the volume up and down. It's really cool. Next to the control knob, you'll also find the headphone jack. Again, if you want to plug this into your iPhone or into a microphone, you can also charge it using the USB port. Holding down the golden button will turn on the headphones. As you can see, there's this little white light that indicates that the headphones are on. To turn them off, you just simply hold it down for about 3 seconds and you'll hear a sound inside the headphones indicating that they're off. The earplugs are actually super comfortable. They're really soft leather and they fit comfortably over your ears. I will say that these headphones are not completely soundproof. I can hear noises if they're loud enough, but overall I'm really getting the punch of the music or the movie or whatever I'm watching through these headphones. So I am satisfied with the richness of the sound. It's a lot better than what I would get, say, using just iPhone headphones. And there's nothing wrong with my iPhone headphones. I don't want people to think, oh, she doesn't like the Apple headphones. I do. It's just a different experience, and I definitely recommend these if you're wanting to get the full bass and oomph of music you're listening to, or if you're planning on doing podcasting. I think they're great headphones, they're comfortable, and yeah, I couldn't recommend them more. Everything's just Gucci with these headphones. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the Marshall Major 4 headphones. If you guys like the content here, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to me down below. And until next time, remember to be awesome and stay true.